Hi everyone, this is Bharti. Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing some exercises that will help you to engage the baby in the pelvis and also induce labor naturally if you are towards the end of your pregnancy. You'll need a couple of yoga blocks and a chair for this practice. Once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. We'll start with a quick warm-up. Let's come into a standing position with our feet hip distance apart. Pull your navel slightly in, tuck the tailbone down and roll the shoulders back. As you inhale, extend both the arms up, stretching up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come down. Let's do it once more. Inhale, extend up. You can come on your toes this time. Stay here for a breath and come down one last time. Inhale, extend up, stretching up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly come down. Now let's come close to the chair and we'll get into a half downward dog. Bring both hands to the back of the chair and then start walking back. Keep both the feet more than hip distance apart and bring the torso parallel to the floor. Try to keep the spine long, breathing into your lower back. Let's keep the knees slightly bent initially. And when you're ready, let's just start paddling the knees one at a time, going from left to right and back. Then you can straighten both the knees, breathing into the stretch in the back of the hamstrings. And then slowly walk back in. Next, we'll do the pyramid pose. Step the right foot forward and the left foot back, keeping the left foot at 45 degrees. Bring both hands to the hips. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, fold forward, bringing the hands to the chair. And breathe into the stretch in the back of the right leg for 3, 2, 1. And then slowly come back up. Let's do it for the other side. Step the left foot forward. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, start folding forward, keeping the spine long. Bringing both the hands to the chair and stay for 3, 2, 1. And then slowly come back up. Next, we'll do some hip rolls. Let's come into a wide-legged stance, bringing both the hands to the hips. And let's start rotating the hips in clockwise direction. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then let's reverse 10 times in anti-clockwise direction. Try to make the circles as big as possible, breathing into any tightness you feel at any point in the hips. 3 more to go. 3, 2, and 1. And come back to center. Next, we are going to get into sumo squats or the goddess pose. So let's come into a wide-legged stance with feet pointing out at 45 degrees. Inhale, extend the arms up and come into goddess pose. Stay for a breath. Exhale, come up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. 2 more. Last time. Come into goddess pose and let's stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly push into the legs to come back up. From here, let's get down onto the mat. Come into tabletop position with hands under the shoulders, knees below the hips, and we are going to rock forward and backward. From here, take a breath in, and as you exhale, push the hips back towards the heels. Inhale, come forward, exhale back, inhale forward, exhale back. We are going to do 10 of these. Five more to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's come back to center. We'll get into a low lunge from here. Step the right foot forward on the outside of the right hand, and then start pushing the hips forward so that you get a nice stretch in front of the left thigh. And we'll stay here for 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, keep breathing into your hips. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly push the hips back, and let's do it for the other side. Step the left foot forward, start pushing the hips forward, and start breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And step the left foot back. Let's get onto our knees from here for some side lunges. Step the right foot out in line with the left knee, and then start pushing towards the right hip for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's bring the right leg in, step the left foot out, and we'll repeat this on the other side for 5, 4, 3, keep breathing into the hips, 2, and 1. And relax, bring the left foot in and come down onto the knees. From here, we are going to get into Malasana or the full squat. You may use a couple of cushions or yoga blocks for this. Bring the yoga blocks under your hips and then come into a full squat or Malasana. Bring both the hands to heart center, pushing the knees out with both the elbows. And let's take 10 deep breaths here. As you inhale, expand the belly out, relaxing the pelvic floor muscles downwards. And as you exhale, pull the pelvic floor muscles up towards the navel as the belly goes in. Let's keep repeating this for 10 deep breaths as we rest in Malasana. Let's take one last deep breath in and out, and then let's come down onto the mat to sit either on one yoga block or a cushion, bringing the feet together into butterfly pose. Grab both the feet with the hands and we'll do some pulses here. So let's start flapping the knees up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, extend the spine, and as you exhale, fold forward slightly, bringing the hands on the floor. And let's breathe into our lower back, in the groin area and our inner thighs, creating more space in the hips, staying in Baddha Konasana for a few deep breaths. Let's take one last deep breath here. And then come up Now bring both the feet in front and let's start taking the knees side to side for 3, 2, and 1. And from here, let's push the hips up, coming up on our knees, getting a nice stretch on the left side. Again, go to the other side. Inhale, stretch up, coming on the knees on the left. And back. Let's do it 3 times on each side. Inhale, extend up, coming on the knees, raising the hips. Exhale down. Inhale, come up. Exhale down. One last time. Inhale up, getting a nice stretch in front of the thighs. Last time. Inhale up and exhale down. From here, let's bring both the knees at 90 degrees. Bring both the hands in front of the left shin. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, fold forward, and you'll feel a nice stretch in the outside of the left thigh. Let's breathe into that stretch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Let's shift the knees to the other side. Bring both the hands in front of the right shin. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, fold forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back up. From here, let's bring both the legs in, coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. And we'll finish with some abdominal breathing. Bring both the hands to your belly. As you inhale, feel the belly expanding outwards. And as you exhale, the belly comes in. Again, inhale deeply, expanding the belly and the pelvic floor muscles down and out. Exhale, pull the pelvic floor muscles up as the belly goes in. Keep going on. Inhale, expand. Exhale, relax. 2 more times. Last one. And relax. That brings us to the end of the practice. Hope you enjoyed this, mamas. I'll see you with a new video soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.